Are you looking for a ranch-style home with all the bells and whistles and modern amenities? This is it. I'm standing in Windsor Locks, Connecticut, and this home is located in Wingate Mews, the most desirable 55 and older complex, and you're not going to want to miss this one. It offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, hardwood floors, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a 2-car garage. It has a new heating system and central air conditioning, gas heat, a full basement with nice bright windows. If you wanted to complete another room down there, that'd be easy enough to do. Also, it has a screened-in porch with Trex decking. I think that that's such a nice feature. It has everything you could ever want. I know a lot of people are out there looking for ranches, and this has low taxes and low fees. You're going to love it. So if you'd like more information, then hurry up and give me a call. My number is 860-926-5101, or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net.